Most buyers think qualifying for the house is the hard part. It's not. The hard part is what happens after you get the keys, because that's when the real costs show up. Higher property taxes, HOA fees, insurance increases, repairs, utilities, all the stuff nobody really explains up front. And here's the reality: most homeowners run into unexpected costs within the first year. A 2024 survey commissioned by American Home Shield found that 87% of homeowners dealt with a home issue that required a professional. That's home ownership. And most of those problems come from costs people didn't fully plan for. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through 7 costs buyers constantly underestimate, especially if you're relocating to Austin or buying your first home here. If you understand these upfront, you can save yourself thousands of dollars and a lot of regret. Cost number 1, the HOA fee trap. Most buyers know there's an HOA fee. What they miss, it can go up. As insurance, landscaping, utilities, and maintenance costs rise, HOAs can increase. But the bigger issue, special assessments. That's when the HOA charges extra because something big wasn't fully funded. Clubhouse roof, pool repair, reserve fund short. That bill can land on you fast, and it's not small. Sometimes thousands, due in weeks. Smart buyers ask, how healthy is the HOA reserve fund? That one question can save you serious money later. Cost number 2, the property tax reset. If you're buying new construction, this one catches a lot of people. Year 1, taxes may be based on land only. So maybe $50,000 land value equals a lower tax bill. That feels great. Then year 2 hits. Now the county reassesses land plus house equals full value. Let's say that's $500,000. Your payment can jump fast. We're talking an extra $400 to $600 a month. And most buyers don't see it coming because the original estimate was lower. My clients know this before they ever make an offer. Cost number 3, insurance creep. Texas isn't Florida, but we still deal with hail, wind, and winter freezes. Insurance companies price for risk, and over time, rates tend to go up. If flood insurance is required, that's another layer. Most buyers shop year 1 pricing and assume it stays there. It doesn't. Cost number 4, the 1% rule. Maintenance, the cost nobody thinks about. The rule of thumb is 1% of the home value per year. So for a $400,000 home, that's about $4,000 annually. And it shows up like this: water heater, $1,200. HVAC repair, $500. Roof leak, $2,000. If, it's when. And most buyers only budget for the mortgage. But homes, they're systems. And systems need maintenance. Cost number 5, the utility bump. Going from a small apartment to a full-size house, your utilities can jump fast. Electricity, water, gas, trash, and sewer. Sometimes double or triple, especially if you are used to a landlord covering part of it. That first bill can be a surprise. Cost number 6, the improvement spiral. You move in and suddenly the house isn't done. You notice builder-grade fixtures, plain walls, empty backyard. So you start upgrading: paint, lighting, landscaping. None of it's required, but almost everyone does it. And most people underestimate how fast it adds up. Cost number 7, the exit fee. This is the one nobody thinks about on day 1. Selling the home. Real estate commissions plus closing costs is usually 5 to 6%. So for a $500,000 home, that's roughly $25 to $30K. You don't pay it today, but it's part of the full picture. And if you sell too early, that money can come straight out of your pocket. The mortgage is just the beginning. HOA traps, property tax resets, insurance creep, maintenance, utilities, improvements, exit costs. These are the 7 costs most buyers underestimate. And if you're buying new construction, builders will often push you toward their preferred lender. Sometimes that's a great option. Sometimes they're stretched too thin and not explaining everything clearly. That's where I come in. When we review your loan estimate, I don't assume anything. I ask, did they explain the tax reset? Did they go over HOA reserves? Do you understand how insurance may change? If something's unclear, we get answers before you move forward. Because my goal is simple. You know exactly what you're signing up for. If you're thinking about buying in Austin, especially new construction, don't walk into that process blind. Because once you own the home, these costs don't ask for permission. They just show up. So before you fall in love with the house, make sure you understand what it actually costs to live in it. And if you want help breaking that down, reach out to me. I'll walk you through the numbers, what to expect after closing, and the hidden costs most buyers miss, so you're not surprised later. If you want to book a consultation, the link is in the description. And if you know someone thinking about buying, send them this video, because this is the kind of stuff people wish they knew before they had closed. I'm Omar Pineda with eXp Realty, and I'll see you in the next one.